Taking the end of my hijab and just folding it over, and I'm just going to place that on the top of my head right at the end of the hijab. Then I'm going to pin that in place with a safety pin. Then I'm taking the longer side and wrapping it around my head. I'm just going to create a few folds and pull the bottom of the hijab down, and I'm just tucking the rest of the hijab under the scarf so you can't see it. You can also leave the hijab hanging over your head to create this beautiful hanging hijab style, or you could bring it around like this. And so I'm going to tuck in the shorter side inside my shirt, and I'm going to wrap the scarf around, leaving a tiny bit of a cowl around the neck. So I'm just wrapping the hijab around, leaving a long side just hanging like that, and I'm just going to cover at the back as well, just bringing it down a little bit. This is what it looks like from the side, and that's the finished look. This is quite similar to the first one, but we're going to have the hijab a bit higher, so you can wear this with dresses where you don't need as much coverage. So we're just going to take it around the head again, and I'm going to just leave a few folds. This time I'm going to wrap the hijab a little bit higher around my neck so it's a bit more tighter, and I'm leaving the long side just hanging like that. This is a really good hijab style if you're on the run and you're going to somewhere very quickly. So you just put it all the way around your neck and just have a longer side and a shorter side, and just pull it down from the middle so it's not as tight. That's it. I like to call this style the waterfall because I like the drapiness that it leaves with it. It looks kind of reminds me of a waterfall. So I'm just going to take it around my neck and leave one longer side and a shorter side, as you can see. This is one of my favorite hijab styles. It's literally the easiest thing ever and it looks so chic. I don't use any pins for this. I just make sure I'm wearing a hijab cap. I just leave one longer side and a shorter side. I tuck the shorter side in and I just drape the longer side over my shoulder. Thank you for watching, everyone. Please subscribe and hope you like this video. And if you want more...
Knock. Who's there?
What?
Bang.
That was my brother, by the way. Ignore him. Hi guys. This is harder than it looks.